don't run. Every time that say me I step back. I'm gonna find a thing like don't run. And I say me I step back. I mean I tell you no. You see before you go could I say moo. I need that.
Oh, every morning I rise, I stare at the sun. I know it is a blessing. Yeah.
What's up YouTube? It's your boy Dimitri and we're back again with another video. Alright? So thanks to everyone who went and subscribed. Like that really touched my heart, yo. Touched my heart. Yeah, big up on yourself. Everybody will subscribe. Really appreciate that. And if you are new to the channel, just mash up your red button right there and give this video a like, right? Please subscribe to my channel. Help me on this my YouTube journey. Alright? So let's get into the video. Alright guys, so this is a story time, right? Our first story time together. So you know, so this is a bit exciting, you know. Our first story time. So I'm telling you what I'm gonna need. I need a popcorn. So if you don't have none, I'm sorry for your cause. You know, come to the movies without popcorn, yo. And get some to drink, cause you're going to choke in our process. Alright people, so remember to follow me on Instagram at IamMitri. So without further ado, we'll get into the video though, because I don't know hear what go on or what happen. So stay tuned. Alright people, so this was a Saturday, right? Around about 3 years ago. 3 years ago. So we forgot practice, right? We did have a dance practice ago. And me I tell you people, me never feel if we go practice. Like me I say, you know, me not go practice today. And then me say, no man, all my teachers stay, I forgot practice. And at this thing, my teacher and my neighbor. So you know, say if you don't go. Alright, so me say, alright, me I go. So ready for go bathe people. Water gone. No water no do this. So me I say this a sign, you know. This a sign. Go out alone for go full the pan. Come back in. Beard. Ready for come practice, I know. Me I telling the people sun hot. I'm say it's sun hot. Sun hot, you know, sun hot out of door and everything. So me say alright, I will walk. By the time I reach at the top of the lane, yo, it's alright, so by the time we reach at the top of the lane, people, rain start fall. The rain start fall, yo. And me I say, no man. I say, can't sign this, no. Kaya yard. Kaya yard. Then now, we say we're going to turn back. Turn back, I'm look. The dance just slippers pop out. What that mean? Turn at your yard. Turn at your way. Your yard. People, when God gives a sign, take it. Because guess what? Sometimes you get fed up. You saying call fool, but you know, keep them. Them get fed up and you just make things happen. Alright? So when you get a sign, run with it the first time. The first time, run with it. Alright, so we're reaching back. The rain stop fall. You know that though? Motivator for get the next slippers for we continue the practice journey, people. Alright, so we say we're going to continue the practice journey. Grab an umbrella, step out again, alright. Then I walk. Everything good. We are going to rain now, but we carry umbrella same way in case it start back. I'm going to meet up my friend them now, because you see, we are going to practice. You can't left Chantel, Kyle, and Tina. Because if you left them, they not come. Like if you go left them, just know say they're not see them a practice. So we stop this song. We see Kyle come out in a red shirt. But not pay Kyle red shirt no mind, you know, but Kyle didn't know. that something was paying him mind. I'm now gonna take a whistling now. Alright, so back. So little did Kyle know say something else out there for him, right? So Kyle put on him ready and want step out, you know. All I would that I walk I go practice. So me see a youth I run. See a youth I run, you know, people. So me say, cuff them there, them say run up and down, them not nothing to do. Then me see two Anna come on the corner. Me, don't run. Them time they say me a step back. I'm gonna find a thing like, don't run. And I say me a step back. And me I tell you no. You see before you go, could I say, move? I need that. Don't stretch. Then no. Really I run, you know, people. I mean I tell me just feeling somebody grab on my shirt, you know, and I draw me.
Don't get ridiculous now!
I say, what? I run off again, people. You say, run down the yard. I cow that missy back a win the yard, you know. The cow. Come on, come now here. I say, the cow in the yard. And the cow make up his mind saying, nah, left until he buck somebody. It never did about me. The cow never did go about me. See, I say me still watch him now because I say me nah move, him nah move. Alright, big up yourself. None of you nah go move. And people, them finally run the cow out of the yard. Me I tell you, story episode the cow out of the yard, yo. When you get sign, take it, people. Take sign. And hottest thing, we still gotta practice. We still go. Like them never, them mind did make up so them a go. So we still go. Alright people, me I tell you now, tell me that straight, me have to pause the video, yo. Just remember in that day, I lose 10 pounds, yo. Just remember in the whole heap of running them. Yo. Me I tell you, so we left back out the yard for God, because we don't know if the cow gone now. We don't see the cow. We don't know if the cow wait for us to come back out. We don't know. What me say? We never know if the cow still there. If the cow will hide back a bush, yo. Ever me. But continue. Go away. But I did. Because everybody there again, I forgot to. I forgot. No, don't do that. Alright people, see. If them finally get me out of the yard. Get me out of the yard. See me? Okay, you want to know if you make move, if nothing gonna come. And that's why nothing gonna make back a move. And you couldn't stand for that. No? No? No?
Why you do it, John Croft?
Alright people, so I tell you, cow and red is not a mate. Cow and red is not a mate. This means thumbs the video up. This means thumbs the video up. Give the video a thumbs up. I'm ready. Give the video a thumbs up. Give the video Alright guys, so thanks for watching. I know this is a short video, maybe short, yo. If you don't realize my video them not that long, so that means more to watch the video them. Watch out the whole of the video them for me now, please. Yeah, watch the video them and remember to subscribe to my channel, yo. Please subscribe, me I tell you. Me have a whole heap of good content that come out. I'm a very fun person and me I tell you, just make a build the family and make a build the family, yo. So share this with your cousin, your auntie, your church friend, your pastor. Make your pastor share with the missionary board, church. Share, yeah, just share it up in the place. Them tell your grandmother, tell your auntie, tell your uncle, tell your niece, tell your sister, tell your brother, uncle, nephew, cousin. So thanks guys for watching. Remember to follow me on Instagram at IamMitri. And comment down below, people. Come in the comment section and have some conversation, yo. Alright, so let me know down below if you get chased by a cow. And look over talk. So until next time, bye.